India-Thailand Strategic Partnership, established through a joint declaration, strengthening bilateral ties. Digital Technology Cooperation, MoU signed between the Ministry of Digital Economy and Society of Thailand and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology of India. Importance: advances digital infrastructure and collaboration in technological advancements. Maritime Heritage Cooperation, MoU for the development of the National Maritime Heritage Complex, NMHC, at Lothal, Gujarat, signed between Sagarmala Division and the Fine Arts Department of Thailand. Significance: promotes cultural exchange and maritime heritage preservation. MSME Cooperation, MoU between National Small Industries Corporation Limited, NSIC, and Office of Small and Medium Enterprises Promotion, OSMEP. Importance: facilitates growth and development in the micro, small and medium enterprises sector. Northeastern Region, India, Development, MoU between the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, MDNR, of India and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Thailand. Significance: enhances cooperation and development in India's northeastern region. Handicrafts and Handlooms Development, MoU between Northeastern Handicrafts and Handlooms Development Corporation Limited, NEHDC, and Creative Economy Agency, CEA. Importance: boosts the handicrafts and handlooms sector through creative economic initiatives. Thailand's strategic location, centrally positioned in mainland Southeast Asia, serving as a bridge between India and ASEAN. Key economic resources: leading exporter of rubber, rice, fruits, and vegetables. India's Act East policy. Thailand is a key pillar